Welcome to Ahavas Yisrael Daily. We're on the chapter 9, part A, the hidden sin. When Yaakov Avinu gave his children his final blessing before his death, he summoned them and said, "Gather, and I will tell you what will happen to you at the end of time." And then again, in the following verse, he said, "Gather and listen, sons of Yaakov." Why did he use the term gather twice? Rashi explains that Yaakov originally planned to reveal the time of the final redemption, but when his sons arrived, he realized that the Shekhinah had left him, so he blessed them instead. Thus, it was considered as if two gatherings took place. The Baal HaTurim adds a fascinating insight. When Yaakov saw that the Shekhinah had departed, he asked his children, "Perhaps there is a sin among you." They replied, "Look carefully into the letters with which our 12 names are formed. There is no letter ches or tes, which are used to spell the word sin." They implied, "This is a sign that we do not have any sin among us." To which Yaakov answered, "True, but nor do you have the letter kuf or tzadik, which spells the final redemption. This is why he did not reveal the time of the final redemption to them. What is the meaning of all this? The Chassam Sofer explains beautifully. As the Beis HaLevi mentions from the Gemara, since the sin of sinas chinam was not revealed, so too the length of the exile that it caused was not revealed either. Based on this premise, the Chassam Sofer explains that although the letters ches and tes spell chet, which is sin, were not included in the forming of the names of the Shvatim, this was not necessarily a positive thing, a positive sign, because the letters kuf and tzadik spell the end of the exile, which were likewise not there. That is, the chet was hidden, therefore the ketz was hidden as well. Yaakov was foreseeing the cause of the destruction of the second Beis HaMikdash, sinas chinam, as well as its long and bitter results. This seemingly never-ending galus, in which we are still in. That is why Yaakov Avinu told his sons to gather together, meaning that they should unite as one, because only through Ahavas Yisrael will the Beis HaMikdash be rebuilt. And with that, we finish the 9th chapter. Tomorrow we'll begin the 10th one. Thank you.